Coolest room gadgets available on Amazon. Welcome to the realm of creativity and innovation, where your personal space is about to be transformed into a haven of wonder and functionality with the coolest room gadgets available on Amazon. We all desire a living space that reflects our unique style and enhances our everyday experiences. Now, with a hand-picked selection of cutting-edge gadgets, you can infuse your room with a touch of magic and sophistication. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual eager to explore the latest trends or someone searching for the perfect gift for a loved one, these coolest room gadgets will leave you captivated and inspired. So embark on this journey with us as we unveil the most innovative, trend-setting gadgets to transform your room into a sanctuary of comfort and style. Your dream room is just a click away on Amazon. Vanson Bluetooth V40 Portable Wireless Speaker. The Vanson Bluetooth V40 is a portable wireless speaker produced by Vanson, a company that specializes in audio devices. While I don't have access to specific information about this particular model, I can provide you with general details about portable wireless speakers and what you might expect from a device like this. Portable wireless speakers are designed to be compact and easy to carry, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music or audio wherever you go. The Vanson Bluetooth V40 is likely to support Bluetooth connectivity, which enables you to wirelessly connect your smartphone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device to the speaker. This eliminates the need for cables and allows you to stream audio from your device directly to the speaker. Portable speakers are usually powered by rechargeable batteries. Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell is a smart home security device designed to provide you with enhanced convenience and peace of mind when it comes to monitoring and securing your front door. With its advanced features and functionality, the Arlo Video Doorbell aims to offer a comprehensive solution for protecting your home and keeping you connected. One of the standout features of the Arlo Video Doorbell is its high-definition video capability. It captures clear and crisp 1080p HD video, allowing you to see visitors and events at your doorstep with great detail. This ensures that you can easily identify anyone who approaches your door, whether it's a friend, a delivery person, or a stranger. The video is recorded in real time, enabling you to monitor your front door from anywhere using the Arlo mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. In addition to video, the Arlo Video Doorbell also includes two-way audio communication. Wyze Cam 3. The Wyze Cam 3 is a popular indoor/outdoor security camera produced by Wyze, a company known for its affordable and feature-rich smart home devices. The Wyze Cam 3 builds upon the success of its predecessors, offering upgraded features and improved performance to enhance your home security and monitoring capabilities. One of the key features of the Wyze Cam 3 is its high-quality video resolution. It captures video in 1080p Full HD, delivering clear and detailed footage. This ensures that you can easily see and identify people, objects, and events in and around your home. Whether you're using it to monitor your front door, keep an eye on your pets, or secure your backyard, the Wyze Cam 3 provides sharp video quality for reliable surveillance. The Wyze Cam 3 is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile option for monitoring various areas of your home. Ring Video Doorbell 2. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 is a popular smart home device that combines a doorbell camera and intercom system into one integrated unit. Produced by Ring, a well-known brand in home security, the Ring Video Doorbell 2 offers advanced features to enhance the security and convenience of your front door. One of the key features of the Ring Video Doorbell 2 is its high-definition video capability. It captures video in 1080p HD resolution, providing clear and detailed footage of your front porch or entrance area. This ensures that you can easily identify people and events happening at your door, whether it's a visitor, a delivery person, or even a potential intruder. You can access the live video stream from the doorbell through the Ring mobile app on your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to monitor your front door from anywhere. Amplify Instant Wi-Fi System. The Amplify Instant Wi-Fi System is a user-friendly and powerful mesh networking solution that aims to provide seamless and reliable Wi-Fi coverage for your home or small office. Developed by Ubiquiti Networks, a leading name in networking technology, this system is designed to eliminate dead zones and ensure a fast, consistent internet connection throughout your space. The Amplified Instant Wi-Fi System utilizes a mesh network setup, employing multiple nodes or access points to extend the Wi-Fi coverage. The primary router serves as the central hub, while additional mesh points are strategically placed to create a blanket of Wi-Fi coverage. These nodes work together to create a unified network, ensuring that your devices seamlessly transition from one access point to another without any disruption or dropped connections. One of the standout features of the Amplify Instant Wi-Fi system is its simplicity and ease of use. With its sleek design and compact form factor, the Amplify Instant Wi-Fi system blends seamlessly into any living or working space. You can place the mesh points discreetly around your home without sacrificing aesthetics or dealing with unsightly cables and antennas. Wyze Smart Plug. The Wyze Smart Plug is a game-changing device that brings convenience and automation to your everyday life. As one of the most popular smart plugs available on the market, it is designed to work seamlessly with Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to integrate into your existing smart home ecosystem. This compact and sleek device allows you to turn any regular appliance or electronic device into a smart one. Simply plug the Wyze Smart Plug into a standard electrical outlet, and then connect your device to it. Through the Wyze app on your smartphone, you can now remotely control the plugged-in device from anywhere, whether you're at home or away. Additionally, the Wyze Smart Plug comes with built-in safety features, including overload protection, so you can rest assured that your devices and home are in safe hands. Its user-friendly interface and easy setup process make it accessible to tech enthusiasts and novices alike. Whether you're looking to dip your toes into the world of smart home technology or expand your existing smart setup, the Wyze Smart Plug offers an affordable and versatile solution. Embrace the future of home automation and experience the convenience of a connected lifestyle with this innovative gadget from Wyze. Orbee Mesh Wi-Fi 6 System. The Orbee Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system is a cutting-edge networking solution that revolutionizes the way we experience Wi-Fi connectivity in our homes or offices. Created by Netgear, a renowned name in the networking industry, this system is designed to deliver blazing fast and reliable internet coverage throughout even the largest spaces. At the heart of the Orbee Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system is the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, also known as 800 and 2.11ax. This upgrade from the previous Wi-Fi standards offers significant improvements in speed, capacity, and overall performance. With Wi-Fi 6, you can enjoy faster data transfer rates, reduced latency, and support for more devices simultaneously, making it ideal for modern smart homes with a plethora of connected devices. The Orbee Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system uses a mesh network architecture where multiple nodes or satellites work together to extend Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Whether you're a gamer, a movie enthusiast, a remote worker, or simply someone who values a smooth and reliable internet experience, the Orbee Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system offers unparalleled performance, speed, and coverage. Embrace the future of Wi-Fi connectivity and bid farewell to frustrating dead zones with this powerful and innovative networking solution from Netgear. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.